friends, welcome to Food Den. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Today I am going to share you weight loss smoothie recipes. These three healthy smoothie recipes are very easy to prepare, quite filling and nutritious too. Before we enter into the recipe, here are few pre-preparations which hardly takes 10 minutes to prepare. Let's see what are they. Soak chia seeds in water, and we also have to soak oats in milk. Finally, we have to prepare almond powder. These pre-preparations are common for all three smoothie recipes. Now let's see how I prepared in detail. First, dry roast half cup almonds and 5 walnuts. Once it is cool, blend them into fine powder. Now take 1.5 tablespoon of this nut mix powder for each smoothie recipe. This nut mix powder is rich in protein. You can customize this nut mix powder according to your taste. Now dry roast oats. Dry roasting oats helps us in reducing anti-nutrients, which in turn helps us in better absorption of nutrients. It is also rich in fiber. To know more about the benefits of oats, do check my dedicated video on that, which I will provide in description box as well as in I button above. Now take 1.5 tablespoon of this dry roasted oats and soak them in half cup soya milk. You can take whatever milk you want. Soaking the oats not only helps us in reducing anti-nutrients, but it also helps us in giving creamy textured smoothies. As oats are rich in fiber, they helps us for weight reduction. According to the researchers, 28 grams of fiber in our diet helps us in weight reduction. Coming to chia seeds. I have taken 1 tablespoon chia seeds and soaked in 4 tablespoons water for 30 minutes until it forms gelatinous mixture. 1 tablespoon chia seeds has 5 grams of fiber and 2.5 grams of protein. You can increase chia seeds up to 2 tablespoons per serving. In this smoothie recipes, I have used both chia seeds and oats, which are rich in fiber. This high fiber smoothie recipes helps us in weight reduction. Pre-preparation is done. Now let's have a look at our recipes. Without any further ado, let's quickly jump into our apple oat smoothie recipe. For this recipe, I have taken 1 apple, medium sized, peeled and chopped into small pieces, 1 tablespoon chia seed soaked in 4 tablespoons water, 2 tablespoon oats soaked in half cup milk. You can use any milk of your choice, and 1.5 tablespoon almond powder, half tablespoon cocoa powder. These are the ingredients I used for apple oat smoothie recipe. Add all ingredients into blender jar except chia seeds and blend them into smooth paste. The oats soaked in milk helps us to give creamy textured smoothie. Here I am using half tablespoon cocoa powder. If you like cocoa flavor, you can use, or else you can completely skip it. Now blend them into smooth paste. See, our smoothie is ready. Now just transfer this smoothie into tall glass. Here I am not going to use any extra sweetness except 1 tablespoon honey, because the sweetness from apple and milk is more than enough for me. Now add chia seeds on the top and add 1 tablespoon honey. You can use maple syrup also or date syrup, and top with some fresh fruits. Let's have a look at banana chia seeds weight loss smoothie recipe. For this recipe, all we need is 2 tablespoon roasted oats soaked in half cup milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds in 4 tablespoons water, and roasted almond powder, 1/4 tablespoon vanilla essence, and 1 ripe banana. Now add all ingredients into blender jar and blend them into smooth paste except chia seeds. This is one of my favorite recipe because in this recipe the banana and vanilla flavors blend so well. And you can also taste the nutty flavor of the almonds, which is so good in this recipe. Now blend these ingredients into smooth paste. Now our banana chia seeds smoothie is ready to serve. Serve into a tall glass. Top this smoothie with chia seeds, soaked chia seeds, and a tablespoon of honey. Actually, this smoothie is so good in taste because of the banana sweetness and all those things. We don't need any extra sweetness in this recipe. We can add any fruits of our choice as toppings. Coming to our third recipe, it's none other than mango oat smoothie recipe. For this recipe, all we need is 1 tablespoon chia seeds soaked in 4 tablespoons water, 2 tablespoon oats soaked in half cup milk, 1 cup mango pieces and 1.5 tablespoon almond powder. Add all the ingredients into blender jar and blend them into smooth paste except chia seeds. This smoothie have a great taste because of mango, and you can also feel the nutty flavor of the almond powder in this smoothie recipe. Now blend all these ingredients into smooth paste. Now our mango smoothie is ready to serve. Serve this smoothie in a tall glass. Top this with chia seeds, soaked chia seeds and 1 tablespoon honey. And you can also top this smoothie with some fresh fruits. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe.